Let's code together. Okay, let's have a look at the main program, the canteen budget. So, I have a budget of £6, a drink is £2, and a snack is £3. I'm going to calculate the amount that I spend, which is the drink, add the snack, and then the remaining amount left, which equals the budget take away how much I've spent. And let's output the remaining value, remaining money left over, which is remaining. Let's run the code. My remaining money is £1, where I've got 6 to start with. I've spent £2 on a drink and £3 on a snack. 3 plus 2 is 5. Take away 6 is £1 remaining. Let's see what happens when I change these values first of all. So I'm going to change my budget from £6 to £5. Let's try and predict what's going to happen. So we've currently got £0 remaining. I can't buy any more food for the day. Let's see what happens though if I've only got a budget of £3. Let's try and predict what's going to happen. Okay, I've got negative £2. I owe the canteen £2. Let's see what happens when I make snack appear down on line number 7. So it's out of order. Let's see what happens. Okay, I get a name error. Name snack is not defined on line 5. This is what's called a syntax error. Python doesn't understand what's happening because the lines of code are out of order. What's happened is snack appears above snack being initiated and assigned. So Python doesn't understand the order of the code. So if I cut this back out and paste it back in here, Python should understand what's happening, but I still owe the canteen £2. Let's change this slightly just to make it a little bit more realistic. Let's do a print statement. Welcome to the canteen, and you can code with me. And for the remaining money, I'm going to, instead of putting a colon, I'm just going to put a pound sign so it appears like the money is real money. And I'm going to change this back to £6 so I don't owe the canteen money. Let's see what happens when I play it. So welcome to the canteen with the remaining money left over of £1.